Let me be blunt. Your attention span is broken, not weak, not damaged, completely hijacked. And unless you unfor it, you'll keep scrolling your life away while your dreams rot in the background. But here's the good news. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to reclaim your focus, sharpen your brain, and actually feel alive again. Because attention isn't just focus, it's your life force. Where your attention goes, your future grows. Your future grows. The silent war on your focus, every single app on your phone is not a tool, it's a weapon. A billion-dollar machine designed to shatter your attention into tiny, useless fragments. Every notification, every scroll, every ping is rewiring your brain for distraction. Again. You don't have ADHD. You've been trained like a lab rat. And the first step to your attention span is to see this for what it is, a war. And if you're not fighting back, you're losing. Dopamine overload is destroying you. Here's the raw truth. Your brain was never built to process this much stimulation. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. They're not giving you entertainment. They're giving you a dopamine overdose. What happens when your brain gets too much dopamine? You stop enjoying the simple things. Reading feels boring. Conversations feel boring. Even your own goals feel boring. You're addicted, and the withdrawal is disguised as a boredom. The 70-second reset trick, now listen closely. You can begin in your attention span in 70 seconds. 70 seconds. Here's how. When you feel the urge to pick up your phone, wait 70 seconds before reacting. Don't fight it, just pause. This breaks the instant gratification loop. Why 70 seconds? Because that's long enough to reset the brain's craving cycle. Each time you win that 70-second battle, you're training your mind to take back control. Rebuild your attention like a muscle. Your attention span is a muscle. Right now, it's weak, but weakness isn't permanent. Start small. Read 2 pages of a book without checking your phone. Then push to 5. Then push to 5. Then 10. Practice single tasking. Not multitasking, that's a scam. Focus on one thing, give it your full energy, and you'll see your brain sharpening like a blade. Digital detox isn't a trend. It's survival. Most people think taking a break from their phone is optional. It's not. It's survival. Take 1 day a week where you lock your phone away. Let your brain feel silence again. At first, you'll feel restless. That's the withdrawal. Push through it, and you'll rediscover something people have forgotten exists. Mental clarity. The focus rituals of high performers, the top 1%, guard their attention like gold. They schedule deep work blocks. They silence their devices. They meditate. They sleep like warriors. Why? Because they know that focus compounds. 1 hour of pure, distraction-free focus is worth 10 hours of scattered scrolling. If you want to operate at that level, copy their rituals. Start your morning without your phone. Set non-negotiable focus hours and end your day with reflection, not endless doom scrolling. The cost of not fixing this, let's get real. If you don't up your attention span, you will lose years of your life to meaningless scrolling. Your goals? Incan. Your relationships? Shallow. Your dreams? Dead before they even start. The cost of distraction isn't just wasted time. It's wasted life. The call to action, so here's the choice. Keep living like a prisoner to distraction, or take back control in the next 70 seconds. Put down the phone. Breathe. Reclaim your brain. Because the people who can control their attention in this chaotic world will control the future. Don't just watch this video, act on it. Your attention span is your superpower. Stop giving it away.